welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So today I have a question from Jessica Blankenship, and she asks, when you paint wood signs with stencil, do you dab or swipe? I love this question because it really is important that you are dabbing with your paintbrush on top of your stencil instead of swiping back and forth. Let me show you. So I have a stencil here. This stencil is Ormask stencil film. And then what I do is I use a foam paintbrush. I have a video on my favorite paintbrushes, so if you're interested in these, I will link that video down below as well as up in the iCards so you can learn more about my favorite paintbrushes. But you really want to go into your stencils and dab with your paint up and down like this. Let's see if I can do it this way. So you want to go up and down, because if you are swiping like this, you're actually semi-lifting up your stencil, and it's very easy for paint to get up underneath the stencil, whereas if you're dabbing, you really are pushing your stencil back down and resealing it as you are dabbing up and down. So what I use most of the time are these foam paintbrushes. They're 1 inch wide, or they also make these foam dabber paintbrushes, which work great because they're flat, so you can go up and down on your stencil with these. Or you could use a makeup sponge, which another one of my viewers suggested. So thank you, Jessica, for your question. I hope that this video helped some of you, and her question also helped some of you as well. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. Maybe I'll feature you on an upcoming Quick Tip Tuesday. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I can keep bringing you this series. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And let me know in the comments below, do you use foam paintbrushes to stencil? Do you use these little dabber guys to stencil? Or do you use those cute little foam makeup brushes or makeup sponges to stencil? What is your favorite tool for stenciling? Thanks so much, everyone. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.